हुआ कोई बैड लक?
वो आंटी आ गई थी भाई
क्या
वो।
हुआ?
वो
वो सुस्त
यो
आंटी थी?
AI, you could not be weird.
No, I'm not.
You've got nice hair.
Sorry?
You got nice hair. Like,
Thank you.
you're welcome. Nice tattoos. Why, yeah? You're a goth lady.
Sorry?
You're a goth lady. You know about that? The goth queens.
I'm not.
You're a
I'm
baddie.
not.
You're a baddie.
Uh, 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 uh. You're wrong there.
Is being a baddie a bad thing according to you?
No, it's not a bad thing, but I'm not.
What are you then?
I'm a good girl. Come on.
You're a good girl. Good girl. Who calls you? Who call you that?
So,
Your
are you like
boyfriend?
streaming right now?
No, I'm not streaming. I'm a music producer. I'm a studio right now.
You are streaming.
What the fuck?
Are you streaming right
No,
now?
I am
Just-
not streaming.
Okay, I asked every single person though.
Because you
yeah.
are streaming.
No.
You are.
not.
You are. You look.
No.
You look like an influencer or something. Are you?
No, I'm not streaming.
No, but you are an influencer. You make
You can
reels.
say
You
that.
make reels on
Kind of,
Insta.
kind of, kind of.
What is it? What's your handle? What's your handle? Let me rate your profile.
No.
I can help you grow it. Like I can give you tips
Sorry?
and tricks. I can help you grow it. I can give you tips and tricks. I have a marketing agency in UK.
First, you tell me your handle. Then.
First after you.
Okay,
Why?
fine.
You have public account.
Okay. Cool. Here you
मैं
go.
फॉलो बैक करूंगा।
CRVZZ.
Don't. Why do you have to? Like, I'm scared that you are on stream and then you'll announce my username.
Whoa, you are famous.
Shh. Not really.
You are.
फॉलो करके वापस
You
आना,
are
नहीं तो
famous.
उधर ना रह जाना।
How tall are you?
Not that tall that you see in the pictures.
जो मॉड
5'4".
Yeah. How do you know?
Because I know you.
Since when? 2 minutes ago.
No,
We started
I know
talking.
you already. I know your friends too.
You are very focused.
You know my
होके कर रहा है।
friends?
Yeah.
Who?
इंस्टा तो ठीक है।
Who?
Yeah.
Palak is your
जो
friend,
फॉलो
right?
बैक कर।
You know her?
Yeah. She's an advocate,
How?
right?
Huh?
She's an advocate, right?
Mm-hmm. You're from Jaipur?
No, I've
Jaipur
been to
profile
Jaipur.
खोली।
She's
Airport
28.
से ही-
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Remember me now?
Okay.
अभी तक याद नहीं आया तुम्हें मैं यार क्या कर रही हो तुम?
अरे तो कौन हो तुम?
अभी ख्वाब में आना है तुम्हारे मैंने। हाँ
Nice joke. Nice joke.
सही है यार मर्जी वाली बात है। What do you do apart from being pretty?
Into software development.
Why would you take the pause? I'm into software.
I was thinking कि क्या बताना है?
क्या बताना है क्या मतलब फिर सच सच क्या करो सच बताओ फिर मुझे।
हाँ, no, सच. I'm software engineer.
सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर। वाओ मैं तो
What do you do?
I have a showroom here in UK. Well, not mine actually. My dad's showroom. I actually, deal out. But yeah, but I've done bachelor's in computer science too. But किसी काम नहीं आई मेरी डिग्री। ज़बरदस्ती कर ली बस मैंने। Yeah, nice tattoos. Yeah, what's the science behind them?
Why do you like meaning?
I'm curious.
Something
Like,
like that. Okay, they do have like obviously mean something, but so many. Yeah, I'm explaining नहीं करने
how many tattoos do you have? 23,
No.
14.
You cannot always guess right. 2022 something.
23 बिल्कुल सही तो बोला फिर मैंने 23 yeah. देखो तुम्हारे टैटूज भी पता है मुझे कहाँ कहाँ है।
You're streaming. I know that you're streaming.
इल्जाम लगाई जा रही हो तुम मेरे पे। मत करो यार ये।
You are. I'm sure about that.
Focus लॉस नहीं करना.
I'm not. I'm actually not. मैं सच नहीं
It's
बोलता.
okay. It's okay. You are, I know that.
Okay. I think if you're fine with it. If someone's
I'm
streaming,
not
not
fine
me.
with it.
I'm not streaming.
No,
But if someone
No,
is,
you're not gonna like broadcast it or something like. Okay, you make it private or where are you streaming though?
I stream on
YouTube?
Kick, वो stream होने के बाद खत्म हो जाती है.
क्या?
It's on Kick, like ये वो खत्म हो जाती है होने के बाद, like it disappears. Like people are watching you right now.
Okay, they are watching me right now, but you can publish it, right? You
I can, but
Are
I will not.
promise me, because I'm gonna search you up. I'm gonna ask her.
Promise.
Here.
Yeah. Promise.
What's your name?
My name or my account's name?
Both.
No, I won't tell you my account name, but my name is Ali. Ali Ahmed.
Ali, right?
Yeah, Ali.
Yeah. What's your account name?
I'm
your
not telling
Insta?
you that. I'll appear on your feed
राधे रामा.
just like that.
Oh my gosh, that's cheating.
Yeah, it
Oh,
is.
shit.
I am a proud cheater.
Don't talk to me.
What the- You can't find me like that. Stop searching it up. I'm not that famous. I only have 480k.
No, I'm gonna find you.
You're not like what if you can't find me?
What if I do?
What if you won't?
Give me a minute.
You cannot. You can never.
What's your name?
Ali Ahmed, that's my real name.
क्या मैं इतना फेमस
I
हूँ? 500,000 है
cannot.
बस.
What the heck?
अली अहमद पे तो आ जानी चाहिए वैसे तेरी आती है.
I'm not that famous. I only have 500,000 subscribers. Not subscribers, like followers.
All right, don't tell me.
Yeah, you can't find it. अभी अपनी तरफ से तुम बन रही
राधे.
थी. So-called detective.
No, if I want, I can find you. Give me
Yeah,
a
yeah.
second.
ढूंढो.
Just a
गूगल लेंस करने लगी है.
Whoa! Hey, that's cheating. That's cheating.
मिलेगा मैं इसको.
You never teach your
आपको
father how to
मिलेगा.
make babies, you know?
You know how to make babies?
Beating me in my own game. Fuck you.
रामवीर.
Sure. I have to because then you'll make babies.
You're not that lucky. Keep dreaming.
Why? Who is that lucky then? Who is that lucky?
I'm not gonna talk about this. No conversation like
Yeah,
this.
you're not with
please.
me.
I'm not comfortable. Hope you understand that.
I do.
Okay, found you, I guess.
That's not me.
Uh,
I,
found you.
I have a twin brother.
It's you only.
No, it's not me.
Okay, just a second.
अभी तो उसको पता लगता है पाकिस्तान.
Shut up! Turn it off now! Turn that phone, turn fucking off now.
Hey, what's up,
Bro, that's easy. You can put anyone's picture in the Google Lens and you find it out.
I thought India and Israelis are friends.
Turn it off now!
Sorry.
ठीक है यार, जीत गई तुम यार. बंद कर दो यार, अब उसको बंद कर दो. Don't embarrass me, okay? Turn it off. Shit, you're clever. I like that. Is there any chance you're coming to UK or somewhere near it, like Europe?
No plans like that.
You can make plans, like anywhere in Europe.
I'm so busy. But
You want that. There's a great future for you in,
but I do
जिन US
have.
आप वो
and
इटली
I
जाना
can
चाहते
help you with that future.
शालवी से बोतलें लानी है आजो.
So you don't have any plans.
अब तुम्हारे व्यूज जनरेट हो गए हो तो मैं स्किप कर दूं तुम्हें.
यार तुम्हें वाकई में लग रहा है कि मैं तुमसे व्यूज जनरेट करने की तुमसे बात कर रहा था? I was actually lying.
Every streamer out there sees the same thing.
नहीं. मैं बाकियों की तरह नहीं हूँ लारा दत्ता।
I'm not Lara Dutta.
तारा दत्ता सॉरी। तुम्हें वाकई में लग रहा था, तुम्हें मैं इतना गिरा हुआ लग रहा हूँ कि मैं तुमसे व्यूज जनरेट कर रहा था ऐसे करके।
तो पक्का ना ये स्ट्रीम पब्लिक नहीं होगी?
नहीं, अब तुमने ये व्यूज जनरेट वाली बात कर दी तो अब मेरा दिल कर रहा है कर दूं इसको मैं, वरना मेरी कोई स्ट्रीम पब्लिक नहीं होती।
You were going to do anyway.
नो मेरी कोई स्ट्रीम पब्लिक नहीं होती, मैं लाइव मेरी होती है खत्म हो जाती है। लाइक आई स्ट्रीम ऑन केक
Hope so. I'm gonna check. Now so I know you username and everything. So
या बट तुमने मुझे जब मेरे पे इल्जाम लगा ही दिया है अब।
it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Even now I'm gonna publish it.
Wow, so you're recording? Are you?
No, I'm kidding.
Like if you want मैं तुम्हें शेयर कर देता हूँ लिंक इसका। Who are you chatting with? Leave your boyfriend for a minute यार, क्या insecure लड़का है वो।
It's not my boyfriend.
Where is he then?
My best friend.
Best friend. But he
Best
wants
friend.
but he wants to be your boyfriend, right?
No.
I'm
No
waiting
way.
for the chance.
No way. Did he propose you? Like
Sorry?
did he propose you ever?
Never.
Never. Or will he? Will he? He will. He will, right?
Not. He'll not. We are like friends forever. I wanna, attend his marriage and stuff, play with his kids. So it's like a forever bond. तो वहाँ पे वो mess नहीं आना चाहिए.
So he's married.
So he's not going to do that.
तो देख
He's
दोनों चीजें
married.
कर सकती है उससे शादी करके।
No, he is going to marry, obviously.
Ah.
So
When-
actually we are a group of 4 friends, 5 actually. And so वहाँ पे वैसा कुछ नहीं है. No feelings and stuff.
Does any of them hit on you like
No.
in a flirting way?
No, it's like we 2 girls, we 2 are like best friends, like we love each other so much, and then there are 3
It's
guys.
okay. You
those
can
three
tell
are-
me even if he's hitting you. I'm not insecure.
Sorry?
I'll be all right.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Sorry.
You
Sorry,
you
sorry,
you
sorry?
you can tell me like if he's hitting on you. It's okay. I'll
I
not
cannot
get
understand.
insecure.
What did you just say?
मैं क्या बता दो ना if he's hitting on you.
No, he's not hitting on me.
He's not.
No.
Wow.
जो आपके ऊपर hit
So you have a boyfriend already. You don't. Why?
I don't want one. I'm happy. in
Shit,
my
बहुत
life.
बुरा कटा है तुम्हारा लग रहा है मुझे. He cheated on you. Your ex.
No. No. It was a healthy relationship, but then there was some kind of problems that I cannot talk about, and we had to end things.
यही होता है
Mutual.
टॉक्सिक हो जाते हैं लड़के.
Toxic कुछ
They
नहीं था.
they
He was
start
so
taking
like,
you for granted.
Oh, he's the best guy I've ever met.
Uh-huh.
No shit that.
ये खराब नहीं है लाइक वो मतलब अच्छे नोट पे रिलेशनशिप एंड होना.
नहीं, वो अच्छे नोट पे तो कभी नहीं होता है ना. मतलब अभी if you wanna end things, तो झगड़े तो कहीं ना कहीं तो होंगे. You'll fight obviously, but then okay.
Yeah. No. Keep going.
So yeah, थोड़ा सा fight तो होता है, but then that's all right. In the end, you know that you both loved each other and all that. So
So you moved on now.
yeah, it's been 3+ years.
3+ years. तब से लेके अब तक तुम सिंगल हो.
There was one talking stage though, but that didn't work.
Situationship. That didn't work. From which side?
From his side.
Shit bro, यार क्या कर रहे हैं लड़के आजकल के यार? चाहिए क्या उनको? Hell no, his loss.
वो तो मैं भी सोच रही थी कि चाहिए क्या इसको यार.
His loss.
You might know him actually.
Is he famous?
No, I'm not gonna. Not really, but if you know people from Jaipur, you might know.
I'm not from Jaipur, I was lying. I'm from Pakistan. And I don't know your friend either.
Fuck.
क्या?
Nice trap. I'm gonna skip.
Sorry if I hurt you, yeah. Don't be
No,
upset.
you did. You did not.
You okay, right?
Yeah.
उदास होके तो नहीं जाओ यार ऐसे तुम. अगर मैं जयपुर से भी होता तो how would I know him?
No, it's not that. It's like you lied to me.
I lied to you. I never said I am from Jaipur. You said that.
But you said you know my friend.
Yeah, I know her. अभी मैसेज करके पूछो उससे. Text her and ask. Like I know her online, not personally, but we know each other for a very long time. Don't message her right now after I go. Then you can message her and tell me. तुम seriously पूछने लगी उससे यार. रात के इस पहर. She might be sleeping.
So are you gonna post this?
No, I'm not gonna post. I was not lying about that part.
I just saw your Instagram.
Yeah, but I take permissions from the people.
So I'm not okay with it.
Yeah, so I'm not
Eh?
posting it anyways. Chill. Yeah. तुमने वाकई उसको टेक्स्ट करके पूछा है.
Why not?
Why would you यार? इतना तो भरोसा करो मेरे पे. ऐसे
नहीं कर
कैसे?
सकती. It's never good to trust a streamer.
ऐसे रिश्तों में दरार आ जाती है फिर.
तुम्हारे उसके रिश्ते में
तुम्हारे उसके
क्या
रिश्ते में.
मेरे उसके रिश्ते में कोई दरार नहीं आई. You don't worry
मेरे
about
और
that.
तुम्हारे रिश्ते में कोई दरार है?
तुम्हारा मेरा कोई रिश्ता है ही नहीं.
Exactly. तो फिर दरार क्यों डाल रही हो तुम बीच में? जब रिश्ता होगा फिर दरार डालना ये हरकतें करके.
Nice.
हाँ.
It was nice talking to you, but
What the fuck? You literally believed me that I'm from Jap. What the hell, bro? No way.
रुला के भेजा है जंजू है. जन्मदिन आने वाला 10 मिनट रह गया.
भाई यार प्यारी लड़कियों का दिल दुखाने में जो मजा है भाई. ओहो. पर लड़की अच्छी थी यार वो गाय.